Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. I'm Suzanne.
I'm Tom, and here we are today in beautiful Summerland, and we're at the entrance of Giant Head Mountain Park. So today we're going to take you on the journey to the park, the trail system, and it's such a beautiful park. It was actually built in 1967 to commemorate the 100th anniversary of Canada. The park itself has a beautiful summit. It sits over 2,700 feet above the sea level and 500 meters above Lake Okanagan. And you can appreciate there's going to be fantastic views, beautiful 360-degree views of Summerland and all the area.
So follow us along. We're going to take the Friendly Giant Trail all the way to the top. And when we're up there, we'll have some great pictures and views to show you guys. So hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks, everyone. One thing that we spotted in Giant Head Park on our hike today was this moss that's growing on the, I guess you could say the south side, yeah, the south facing side of the tree. Suzanne found herself a stick.
It's easier on the knees. So we've made it to the top of the parking lot at Giant's Head Mountain, and we're just on the last bit of trail. We got about 10 minutes of a hike to go to the final lookout point. I said I think it might be poison ivy.
So we're almost near the top of Giant's Head Mountain. It's been a little bit of a grind, but it's been okay, hey?
Easier than the last time we were here.
almost at the top of Giant's Head Mountain here.
Just a little bit more.
Wow, we made it. We are at the summit of Giant Head Mountain Park. Look at the views, this is awesome.
So thanks for following along with us on this hike today. We hope you enjoyed our video, and please remember to hit subscribe, like, and leave your comments down below. We really appreciate your feedback, and look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.
Bye. Yep, that's a nice view. Put on my jacket, and Suzanne said looks like I'm going hunting. Hi friends.
I'll start.
Okay.
Okay, that's when you start.
Okay. Continue on.